I'm Manpreet Lamba, and I have completed my MBA in marketing from TSCFM. It was a very fruitful journey. I have learned a lot of things. I have worked on my communication skills as well. First, I lacked few skills. That's why I decided to go with MBA. And TSCFM has really helped me to grow in certain skills that I was lacking. So it is like one thing I loved about TSCFM that it was not theory based at all. You needed to do maybe 10 to 20% was theory, but everything was activity based. We had to sell pen, we had to go get on road, and that everything has helped us in developing certain skills that, as I said before. So I think I'll give like a 10 on 10 to activity based program, and it's very fun also. It's not like a learning something, but you just enjoy, and time flies like this. We are done 2 years and now we are just missing college. I have enjoyed 2 years like anything. I have made so many friends, even with the faculty, with team behind. Everyone is lovely here.